Tagging your photos is one of the simplest ways to make your collection searchable, organized, and easy to browse. And in Windows 11, you don't need any fancy software to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you the updated ways to tag your photos in Windows Explorer in Windows 11, including how to view, search, and organize those tags properly. And stay tuned in until the end because I'll share a simple tip to make tagging even more powerful in your workflow. Why tag photos? Tagging your photos might sound like one of those nice to do someday jobs, but it's actually a massive time saver in the long run. Tags are like little bits of extra data that you add to your photo files to describe what's in them. Things like names, locations, events, even moods. And the best part is those tags travel with your photos. So when you import them into tools like Lightroom, SmugMug, or even in Windows Search, those tags are still there working hard behind the scenes. How to tag in Windows Explorer 11. The good news is you don't need any special software. Windows Explorer in Windows 11 gives you a couple of very easy ways to tag your photos. Method 1, through Properties. The first is through the Photos Properties panel. Select one photo or a group of photos and then right-click and choose Properties. Go to the Details tab, scroll down, Tags, and then click on the box. You can then type as many tags as you like, separating each one with a semicolon. So for example, you might do Olympics 2012. Method 2, using the Details pane. So in good old Windows 10, you could also edit tags in the Details pane, but annoyingly, this is not as quick as it used to be. Go to the top of the Explorer window and click View. Then select Show Details pane. Then click on a photo. The right-hand pane will show you a summary, but not including the edit tags. So to get the tags option, you have to select the Properties option at the bottom, and then it will just open up the properties. Then just go ahead and add the tags that you want. Annoyingly, you can only do this for one photo at a time. Both of these methods work for JPEGs and a few other common formats. Just note that some file types like PNGs, HOCs, and videos might not support metadata in the same way, so stick to JPEGs if tagging is important to you. Viewing tags. Now, one slightly hidden feature I love is that you can also view these tags in your Explorer columns. First, you need to switch to the Details view and then right-click at the top of the columns and choose Tags. It will then appear as a column in your folder view, and it's a really handy way to scan through your tags and make sure they're applied consistently. Searching by tags. And yes, you can search by tags too. Just click in the search bar at the top, type the word tag and then a colon, followed by your keyword, such as Olympics. And Windows will pull up all matching images with that tag. Super useful if you're trying to track down one photo in a sea of thousands. If you're watching this and thinking, this is great, but my photos are still all over the place, then you might want to check out my Photo Mess Success courses. They are perfect if you're ready to finally get your photos into one system, create a backup plan that works, and start enjoying all those photos again. You can find out more at photomesssuccess.co.uk, and there's a version for both Mac and PC, so you'll be covered whatever you use. Tagging top tip. Before we finish, let me share a few tagging top tips that will help you stay sane. Try to be consistent. Use the same format each time. For example, decide whether you're tagging with full names, first names, nicknames, and stick with it. I also like to go from general to more specific. For instance, I might tag a photo with door, then stained glass, then photo challenge. That way it's easier to filter and sort them later. And do keep a little list or note of the tags you're using. Trust me, future you will thank you. Bonus tip. Now for the bonus tip I promised. If you're working with lots of photos from different events, tag by event, name, and year. So instead of just wedding, use Emily Wedding 2022. This way, even if you have multiple weddings, birthdays, or holidays, they won't just get jumbled together in your search results. It's a tiny change that makes a massive difference. And if you want to level up your tagging game even more, check out this little video next on how to use Adobe Bridge to keep your photos sorted. It's the perfect next step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more photo organizing tips. Have fun rediscovering your memories. I'll see you in my next video.